So, let's go.
Ja.
Ayun. Kumusta kayo? Ngayon is yung second day ni Flynn sa dog school. So, meron pa siyang, how many lessons does Flynn have?
5 more.
Five more?
Insgesamt 6. And it's his first class.
Okay. So, this is his first class. Ito pala yung first class niya kasi yung the first appointment was like getting to know each other. Getting to know each other.
And how he sits quietly beside you.
What was the first lesson?
Just getting to know each other.
No, this one, the second one.
He comes with food. And when he wants to go to the trainer, you have to show him that he has to go with you.
Okay.
So he has. It's about that he knows what.
How he can how he can be called back.
Not called back. Just you giving him a signal, like tipping him, and then you signalizing him. No, you come with me.
Okay.
Not to the food.
Okay.
So he has to decide.
Okay.
It's like. Frustration tolerance.
Frustration tolerance training. Okay, so yun ang training ko. Kung ano yung mga sinabi ko sa inyo, malik naman pala. Hindi si Flynn matututo dahil sa akin. Napanood ko yung last na vlog ko na parang hindi ko nabigyan ng justice si Flynn, na parang ang sinabi ko sa inyo is parang si Flynn is ang sama-sama.
And he has an extra hard because he is now in puberty.
Puberty.
There are 5 dogs and he's the only male one.
Okay. Okay, I did not notice that.
Nein, hast du nicht gehört.
Nein.
Er ist der einzige Rüde.
Okay.
Der einzige.
Ja, der only
And he's the smallest.
The smallest and the oldest.
So yun nga, ano tawag doon, hindi ko nabigyan ng justice yung personality ni Flynn kasi sabi ko doon sa first vlog ko, yung first lesson niya, yung kennenlernen fast, getting to know each other stage. Sabi ko si Flynn nangangagat ng aso, ng ganun. Which is hindi naman, parang hindi ganun. Yung parang kapag naglalakad siya, tapos may nakasalubong na aso, hindi lahat niya kinakagat. I mean, nakikipag-away, normal yun sa mga aso, pero parang yun yung kailangan naming gawa ng solusyon na hindi siya matatahol o hindi siya mang-aaway ng aso. Pag inaway siya, parang magiging parang yung reaction niya is wala lang, dadma. Yung ganun. So, let's go back. Let's go back home. Hindi pa ako nagluluto. Alas 3 na. Yeah.
Das hast du doch.
Hello. Magluluto kami ng adobo ngayon. May variation naman yung adobo namin. Parati kami niluluto ng adobo with soy sauce. Ngayon naman is with coconut milk. So as usual, may kwento ko sa inyo kung anong nangyari sa akin last weeks. So yung first week namin is dinala namin si Flynn, as you all know, na dinadala na namin siya sa dog school. Natapos na yung 2 weeks niya. And
Jetzt coconut, oder?
Yeah.
Ja.
And then yun, ang bilis ng week, lumipas ng mga weeks ng araw. I mean, good morning. Dito ako kay Carol natulog. Kakagising lang namin, and then nagluto siya ng coffee. And today is yung second day ni Flynn sa school. So, di ba nag-dog school na siya. So, pangalawang linggo namin ngayon. So, today is Sunday. And hindi ko alam kung ano yung lesson niya ngayon. Do you know what his lesson today?
Orientierung am Menschen.
Okay. Orientierung am Menschen. So, orientation for humans. So, di ba? Meron siya orientation to English 101. Siya naman is orientation to humans. Yeah. So, bale, 5 lessons. Meron pa kaming 4. Okay, best in math, diba? Yeah, bitter. So, look. Tingnan mo naman kung gaano kamahal ng aking boyfriend. So, ang aking breakfast is super healthy. With strawberry, banana, avocado, and porridge. With honey. Oh, thank you so much. I'm so lucky having him. Oh, baby. Sexy na, mabait pa. Guwapo pa. Hindi pa pala tapos. Meron pang finale. For finale, top with yogurt. Okay, that's enough.
Das reicht?
Yeah, danke. And then, yung second week, natulog ako kay Carol kasi minsan kapag wala akong every weekend na wala akong pasok, sa kanya ako natutulog minsan. And minsan dito naman siya natutulog, so alternate. So, doon ako natulog sa kanya and then dumiretso kami sa school ni Flynn. Nandito ulit kami ngayon. Si Flynn ready na for his school. Let's see. Lumamig na naman yung panahon. Nung nakaraang linggo, diba, pinakita ko sa inyo sobrang mainit na, tapos ng isang araw, sobrang init, mga 30 degrees. Tapos ngayon, ganito na naman yung weather. Kaya, yung iba is nagkakasakit. So, natapos na ang aming training. Malamig daw, sabi ni Carol. Natapos na yung training ni Lynn. And next Sunday ulit, pauwi na kami ng bahay. Malamig na kami lahat. Nandito kami ni Robert sa park. Iniintay yung aming kaibigan, si Reinhardt. Tapos si Flynn may nakitang bunny. Wie heißt das auf Deutsch? Auf English? Rabbit.
Oder Bunny, oder?
Auf
Deutsch Kaninchen.
Kaninchen. Tapos si Flynn gusto niya nang hulihin yung rabbit. Coffee latte, iced coffee latte. Si Flynn ay nandun. So pauwi na kami ng bahay. Yun nga, minute namin si Reinhardt at meron kaming inaayos na papeles. But anyway, na-notice ko yung mga iced coffee dito sa Europe is hindi katulad ng iced coffee sa Philippines. Ang kaibahan is sa atin is hindi siya matamis siya, tapos dito hindi. Like for example, yung iced latte, yun yung in-order ko. Parang yung latte na hot, nilagyan mo lang siya ng yellow, yun na yun. Ang ingredients lang is milk, tapos espresso, and yun na, walang sugar, walang halong syrup. Sa Pilipinas, may mga mga syrup na parang yung latte na syrup, tapos imimix siya sa anong tawag dito, dun sa ice latte. So yun yung difference. Kaya nung bago pa lang yung coffee shop ko, ang recipe nun is parang European recipe na walang syrup. Kaya pala konti lang yung nagbubuk sa amin before, kasi yung recipe kong ginawa is matabang, hindi sakto sa panlasang Pinoy. So yun, binago ng barista namin. Bumili kami ng mga gumawa kami ng mga syrup, and nag-come up kami ng ingredients, ng recipe na may sweetener. Yun ang difference. The following week, minute namin yung kaibigan namin, si Reinhardt. Tapos yun, may kami na asikasong business. Monkey business. Kaya yun. So hopefully mabilis lamang yung araw at matuto na si Flynn para hindi na kami mahirapang mag-alaga sa kanila. Especially kapag namamasyal kami kasama siya sa labas. Para, alam mo yun, hindi na siya, napapasunod namin siya, hindi na siya ng tatahol ng kapwa-aso. So yun lang guys ang aking month. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you again on my next vlog. Bye!